Welcome. Hello, everyone. I am Eric Brummett, one of the co-founders here at Theta Healing NYC, and today I wanted to speak with you about initiations. Initiations are a process of transformation, of change, where who we were is no longer who we are becoming, and we become something new. It is, in essence, a rebirthing, and this is a process that on some level we are all taking right now. We are all being forced to change. We are going through this initiation through this global pandemic that has affected our lives in so many different ways. It could be affecting our life in the way of our health. It could be affecting our life in the way of finances and resources. It can be forcing us to look at issues with our family members. It can force us to look at our lifestyle and habits. And what I want to invite for you to look at today is how this is affecting you, because what is happening is an initiation. It is transitional. So I hear people talking about, oh, this is the new normal. We all have to adapt and adjust. Yes, there is an adapting in this process. We are having to shift how we are living, how we are acting, and what our lifestyle is to keep ourselves strong and healthy and to go through this process. But being resilient and just, we're going to bear down and struggle through this and get back to life as it normally was is also a falsehood. This is an initiation. We are all going to be different after this. So what I want for you to do is to look at where you are really being forced into change. What is happening? Because that is a place where on a soul level, on a spiritual level, you are going through a rite of passage where you get to become something different, something new. And this is something that we are going through in a process using many different modalities, primarily focused on using the Theta Healing technique. And it's a journey that we're taking on our Soul Guide virtual workshops. We have weekly gatherings every Friday, and then every Sunday we go through a deep dive into an element of this transition. We work on all these different issues and do some amazing meditations, and then get to work together in a private session. And so if you haven't experienced our Soul Guide workshops, please join us this Sunday. The first one is free for you, because as we go through this process, as we go through this initiation, it's an opportunity of change. Change is never forced, but everything is changing. So in this, we are needing to explore who we want to become. And that's what we are focused on this coming Sunday is who can we potentially become, and clearing away the resistance of becoming that better self in those different departments of our life. And as we clear away this resistance, we no longer have these struggles of having to bear through this, having to suffer through this, and fighting all these limiting beliefs. It starts to pave a roadmap into action steps we can take to really become our better selves. And that's the journey that we're taking in this life. So I hope you'll join me, and thank you for joining. I'll see you all soon.